Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. Here's a scale drawing showing the positions of Paris and Bordeaux. Alain drives from Paris to Bordeaux. The distance he drives is 590 kilometers. The distance is greater than the actual straight line distance given from Paris to Bordeaux. How much greater? Show you're working clearly. So we have to find the difference between 590 kilometers and the length of this straight line. The key here is that 1 centimeter represents 80 kilometers. And if we use a ruler here, this comes out to be about 6 centimeters. So we simply multiply 6 times 80 gives us 480. Now we just find the difference. 590 minus 480. 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So our final answer is a difference of 110 kilometers. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.